We will continue this topic integrals, and now we will do the part 8, and this is very interesting part. Look here, we have to do integrals of some particular functions. Some particular functions will be a special function, we can say. Look here, these formulas are very important. Here the first is integral of dx x square minus a square. This we write 1 upon 2a log modulus of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Second formula is here integral of dx a square minus x square, and this will be equal to 1 upon 2a log a modulus of a plus x upon a minus x plus c. Look here, these two formulas are same. Here x square minus a square, and in the second formula a square minus x square. If you have a x square minus a square, means you write 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a. And if we have a square minus x square, then we have to write 1 upon 2a log a plus x and a minus x. If integral of dx x square plus a square will equal to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. And look at these formulas are same, and now we have the formula for root. So integral of dx root x square minus a square, this we will write equal to log modulus of x plus root x square minus a square and modulus close plus c. And look at integral of dx root a square minus x square is equal to sine inverse x by a, and integral of dx root x square plus a square equal to log modulus of x plus root x square plus a square plus c. Look here, these two formulas are same as it is, only here is dx upon root x square minus a square, means you write log x plus this as it is you write, okay. And here also you can check this dx upon root x square plus a square, we can write log x plus this as it is, okay. So both these formulas are same. So you have to learn these all formulae. These are very important formulae, okay. Look at this question, integral of 3x square upon x power 6 plus 1 and dx. Look at this is not in standard format, and we have to use here one formula. We have to use here this formula dx upon x square plus a square equal to 1 upon a tan inverse x by a plus c. But look here in numerator this 3x square is given, and here x power 6 is given. This x power 6 we write in this format 3x square upon x power 3 whole square and plus 1, okay. This type we can write. Now we will suppose here x cube equal to t. So we get 3x square dx equal to dt. So look here, this 3x square dx will be dt, and here is 1 upon this is x cube is t, so we get t square, and here is 1 square, okay. Now we can check this formula. This is both is same, okay. This is tan inverse, so 1 upon a is here 1, tan inverse x by a, x is here t and a is 1, okay, and plus c. So we can write this tan inverse t, place of t we can write here x cube and plus c. So this is our answer. All of you understand this? Look at all of you, this question integral of 1 upon root 1 plus 4x square and dx. In this question to use here this formula integral of dx root x square plus a square equal to log x plus root x square plus a square plus c. Here is 2x is the problem, so we will keep in a bracket root 1 upon root 1 plus this we can write 2x whole square and dx, and this 2x we will suppose t, okay. So we get 2 dx equal to dt, so dx will be equal to dt upon 2, okay. Upon 2 you can write outside, and here is 1 plus root 1 plus t square, and here is dt, okay. Now we use this formula, so we can write here 1 upon 2 log t plus root 1 plus t square plus c, and place of t we put 2x, we get 1 upon 2 log 2x plus root 1 plus 4x square, and plus c. So this we get the answer. Look here all of you, this formula, and here the place of x is given ax plus b power 2. Okay, this is place of x, we have ax plus b power 2, and place of a is c given. So in this formula, the same formula we have to use 1 upon 2a. So here 1 upon 2c we will get 1 upon 2c log place of x we have ax plus b, and place of a we have c, so minus c upon ax plus b plus c we get, and here the coefficient of x is a, so we have to divide by a. All understand? This is the answer. Look here all of you, here this dx upon a square minus x square, we know this is equal to 1 upon 2a log modulus of a plus x upon a minus x and plus c. So look here, these two are same as it is. Place of a we have c, and place of x we have ax plus b format. So look here, the same as it is, we write 1 upon 2c, okay, and log modulus of a plus x means we have c plus ax plus b upon a minus x means we have c minus this ax and minus b. And here coefficient of x is a, so we have to divide this by a. All understand this? Look here we know the integral of dx x square plus a square equal to 1 upon a tan inverse x by a plus c. Here look here, in this question, integral of dx is ax plus b whole square plus c square, these both are same. 1 upon a means we have 1 upon c, and tan inverse place of x we have ax plus b, so we can write ax plus b, and place of a we have c, so we write c, and the coefficient of x is a, so we have to divide by a. All of understand this? Look at all of you, here we know the integral of dx root x square minus a square is equal to log modulus of x plus root x square minus a square and plus c. So look at these two are same as it is. Integral of dx upon root ax plus b whole square minus a square, and this is equal to, we can write here log x, place of x is we have ax plus b, so we can write ax plus b plus root, and this as it is we have to write, so we can write ax plus b power 2, and here is we write c we can write, so minus c square modulus close, and here the coefficient of x is a, so we have to divide by a, and plus c we can write. We know the integral of dx and root upon integral dx upon root x square plus a square is log x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. So look at here, the integral of dx root ax plus b whole square plus c square, we can write the same as it is formula. We can write log x, place of x we have ax plus b, and plus root, and this as it is we have, so we can write here also as it is ax plus b power 2 plus c power 2 and plus c, and coefficient of x is a, so we have to divide by a. All of you understand this? Dx upon root a square minus x square, this is equal to sin inverse x by a and plus c. So same as it is, we can use this formula here, integral of dx and root c square minus ax plus b whole square, this same formula we use. We can write here sin inverse, place of x we have ax plus b, so we can write here ax plus b, and place of a we have here c, so we can write c, and coefficient of x is a, so we have to divide by a, and plus c. All of understand this? Look here, we have to do this question, integral of 1 upon root 2 minus x square plus 1 and dx. Look here we have two methods. First method we can do direct, Okay, and here we will use the formula 1 upon root x square plus a square and dx, and this we know already, log x plus root as it is x square plus a square plus c. This formula we can use direct here, so we can get look here, 1 upon root 2 minus x whole square plus 1 dx. We can write here log, place of x we have here 2 minus x, so we can write 2 minus x plus this root as it is we have, so we can write 2 minus x square plus 1 and plus c. Now the coefficient of x is here minus 1, so we can divide this by minus 1. All of understand? So we get here minus log 2 minus x plus this 2 minus x square plus 1 and plus c. All of understand this? And second method, we have to suppose this 2 minus x equal to t, so we get here minus dx equal to dt, so this implies dx equal to minus dt, so we can write here minus dt upon root 2 minus x, we can write here t square plus 1, and now we can write minus log t plus root t square plus 1 and plus c. Now place of t we can put the value again 2 minus x plus root 2 minus x whole square plus 1 plus c. So look here, in both method we get the same answer. Look here all of you, this question we have to do, and we will use the formula for 1 upon root a square minus x square dx. We can write sine inverse x upon a plus c. This formula we can use direct. So look here, first we write in a proper format. This we can write 3 whole square, and this we write 5x whole square and dx. Look here, this we compare here, place of x we have 5x and place of a we have 3. So we can write as it is sine inverse, place of x we have 5x, so 5x, and place of a we have 3, so upon 3, and the coefficient of x is 5, so we have to divide by 5 and plus c. This is our answer. All of understand? Otherwise we can suppose this 5xt and then also you can do. Look here, we have to suppose this. First of all, we can write this 3x upon 1 plus root 2x square and whole square we can write. Okay, and this root 2x square we will suppose t, so what we get, root 2 into 2 and x dx equal to dt we get. So here x dx we can write dt and 1 upon 2 root 2. So look at this 3 we will write outside, and place of x dx we write here 1 upon 2 root 2 and dt, and place of 1 plus this we write here t square. And this formula we know the formula here, that 1 upon a square plus x square dx equal to 1 upon a tan inverse x by a. Okay, and plus c. This formula we have to use here, so we get here 3 upon 2 root 2 and tan inverse x is here t, and a is here 1. Okay, and 1 upon a is also, this is 1, and plus c. Now we have to put the value of t again, so t is here root 2x square. Okay, and plus c. This is our answer. Integral of x minus 1 upon root x square minus 1 and dx. This we write first separate this, means we can write x upon x square root of x square minus 1 and dx minus 1 upon root x square minus 1 and dx. In this first case we can see that we will suppose here x square minus 1 equal to t, so we can write here 2x dx equal to dt. So x dx equal to, we can write 1 upon 2 and dt. So x dx we can write here 1 upon 2 and dt, and here 1 upon this is root, and here is this is t. All of understand? Minus look here, this we know it is a standard format, so we can write here, we know this, here we use the formula. Formula is we know already, formula is 1 upon root a x square minus a square dx, we know already. Log x plus root as it is. All understand this? So here we can use this formula, and we will get here log x plus root as it is, means x square minus 1 plus c, and here this we can write minus this is t power minus 1 upon 2 and dt. This as it is we can write. This we can write here 1 upon 2 t power minus 1 upon 2 plus 1, and upon minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 is 1 upon 2, and this minus log x plus root x square minus 1 and plus c. This will be half cancel, and root t will get, and root this will be root t and minus log x plus root x square minus 1 plus c, and place of t we can put this value of t is x square minus 1. So this we get here root of x square minus 1 minus log x plus root x square minus 1 plus c. This is our answer. All understand this?